See how easily one can make profits in these difficult markets. Just you need to stick as per the levels. And see, I told you in my weekly analysis, I told you in my daily analysis that 1615 levels can be seen, which is going to be a very strong support for gold. Likewise 1800 may provide support for silver, and both have bounced back. Again we asked you to buy at 1635, beyond which 1660 levels can be seen. This is precisely achieved also for gold. I hope you all profited. Now what can be expected today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. So let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end, do note down the levels and do listen to it carefully. Now look at the silver smooth. This is the hourly chart. You can see the rally started from here at around 1625-30 levels and it has plateaued here. Now it is trying to reverse. See, this was the support earlier here at 1660. Then it has seen a little drop till towards 1654. Now it is again trying to reverse. So what you should take care of, see, one should take care of whether it breaks below 1650. If it drops below 1650, you can again expect that it may come back till towards 1645-40 and in fact till towards 35 levels. It can retrace till towards those levels before it looks forward to any further up move. At the same time, see, yes, it is giving you lower highs, yes, it is giving you higher lows. So rather you can sell here at 1653 itself and expect it to drop. On the upside, one needs to be cautious of this zone here at 1665. So beyond 1665, definitely one can see further highs. How high it can go, we need to see. Yes, 1670 levels is a good resistance. 1672 the next resistance, and beyond that we can see 1678 and 80 levels will come into picture. But can it go till there? Let's have a further detailed look. The directional movement was bullish. It is trying to converge here. That indicates that the bullishness is diminishing. The stochastic has come back to oversold zone, trying to bounce back again from the same levels. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. RSI was overbought, trying to cool down a bit. And look at the 2-hour chart. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, I told you this is 100 period moving average, may provide a little resistance. It is trading above these levels, trying to trade little bit bullish, taking the support from these levels again, and it is trying to bounce back. So yes, you can buy there at 1665. Beyond that, one can expect that we may see it a little more bullishness for 1670-72 zone, and then we may see it hitting 1678-80 levels. At the same time, dropping below 1653, you can again expect that 1645-40 levels can be seen there. The directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards on the 2-hour charts. We may see a vertical fall, possibly. See, the MACD has seen the extreme highs. It is willing to converge here, crossover for a sell entry. The RSI is looking downwards too, indicating little more bearishness. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, again you will find, see, interestingly, it was taking the support from the 100 period moving average. On the 2-hour chart, is taking the resistance from the same levels on the 3-hour charts, and also it is at the high or it is at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Here we may see it getting support at around 1650, which is a good support, and then below that 1645-40 levels should come into picture. Be careful. Yes, you can sell there at 1653 and expect it to drop from there. The directional movement is so far was bullish. It is trying to converge here. The stochastic on the 3-hour charts is overbought. The MACD is extremely divergent. It has seen the highs. Possibly it may start to converge from here. The RSI is also near to high there. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you can see lower highs can be expected. Yes, it may try to attempt and achieve 1662-63 levels. Yes, if you see it trading above 1665, buy there again 1670-72, and then 78 levels will be seen. Be cautious. Yes, 1674 also you may find a little resistance. So 1670-74 levels you should be cautious of this zone. Beyond that, 1680 levels should be seen. The directional movement is bullish. It is willing to converge. Stochastic is at high. Possibly we may see it cooling down a bit. The MACD has also seen a high. Possibly it may try to converge from here. The RSI is trading flat near to the top. Now look at the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. In fact, even it tries to rise till towards 1700. You cannot consider this as bullish. Yes, this is an attempt to retrace a bit and possibly achieving the highs of this channel. It can again try to go downwards. But also that is a far term chart. On the near term chart, you can find that it was trying to trade in this, and possibly if it breaks past 1665, now you can again expect it to rise for 1680, and then beyond levels can also be seen till towards 1690-95 zone. So be cautious. 1680 definitely I look forward to as a stronger resistance zone. The directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic was at bottom, now it has come back to comfortable levels. The MACD is willing to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI was oversold. It has, with just single green candle, it has come out of the oversold zone. Considering this for the, so it is very simple and easy. Sell below 1653, buy above 1663. Mark out these levels. Sell below 1653, buy above 1663. If it trades above 1663, you can expect that we might see 1668, 70, 70 to 74. Still till 74, we are fine that yes, it has got the moment. You can easily capture $10 there. But beyond 1674, certainly you can look forward to 1680, which is going to be the next resistance, very strong resistance. And trading beyond 1680, you can expect it to hit till towards 1691-95 levels. Be cautious there of 1691 to, I can say, 1700 level. These $10 are going to be prime for, important for gold there, and possibly it can reverse from those levels. Now for the day below 1653, yes, you can sell 1640, 50, 1647, then 1645, and then below that 1640 levels can be seen. Below that you can again expect it to drop till towards 1635 and 25 levels. So in sum, do not trade between 1653 and 1663 levels for these $10. Avoid your trade. Largely between 1680 and 1635, you have to be cautious. You have to trade with the strict stop loss. It can reverse any point of time from these levels, and in fact on the upside the strongest resistance is between 1691 and 1700. On the downside, the support there at 1625, 1615 is very strong. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries at the right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 batches starting on 3rd of October. Be a part of it. A couple of seats left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a part of my signals group, or you can become a part of my Patreon page, where you can support the Patreon link. The signals group link, Telegram links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do reach out for your queries. Now look at silver here. Now see, silver falling shy of 1900. Previously it breached this time it is falling shy of 1900, and it is trying to reverse. On the downside, 1880 is providing it a support. See, this was the resistance earlier, now it is providing a support. So see, for this 20 point, for this $0.2, at least you should be cautious of. Below 1880, yes, you can again sell. Then I will look forward to 1860 and 1840 levels. These are the two stronger resistance level. Rather, you can say 1870, 60, 50, 40. This is the series. Until 1820, it has got stronger support. Then below that 1820, we already know these levels now very beautifully from the past experience here in silver. And now look, the directional movement was bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic has come back to the oversold zone. The MACD on the hourly charts has seen a high. Possibly from here a convergence and crossover is required. Hence it may try to enter into a sell zone. RSI is comfortable there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can easily see that this is the channel. It has seen the channel high, and this is trying to create a channel. Possibly this is the time when it has reversed. Hence only bullish entry is, only buy position is above 1900, where you can buy and then expect 1920, 1940 levels to be seen. At the same time, selling below 1880 will be a very good idea for you to go short there and expect it to drop strongly again. The directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards from here. The MACD is again trying to converge here. It has seen the high. RSI is comfortable. Likewise on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. You can find out. and with one red candle it is getting the resistance there at 1895. So only buy position I will recommend is above 1900, and possibly once it drops below 1880, which is a very strong support, we can again expect it to drop for 1860, 50, 40 levels, which are the support levels on the downside. Be cautious till then. The directional movement is bullish, it is willing to converge. Stochastic is at high, it may try to drop from there. The MACD has seen the high and it is trying to converge. RSI is again at the high. Likewise, similar is the stand on the 4-hour charts. 1860, 1850 levels should provide very strong support for silver. Yes, you can sell there at 1880 and expect it to drop. The directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic is also overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It may start to converge. RSI is flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you will find, now see the daily charts out there, lower highs. Yes, possibility of it to achieve 1895, 90 levels is there. Yes, it can achieve these levels and then drop from there. Possibility exists if and only if it breach past 1900. You can expect we may see still a resistance at 1910. So in between 1910 and 1795, let's exercise a little bit caution, but achieving these levels it can again try to drop. So let me show you what I am trying to say here. So these are the daily charts, and if you connect these candles, 1915 levels, 1920 levels are definitely a stronger resistance. And if you connect the candles here, lower lows, higher highs are seen. This is as it has given a good swing, the pivot there at around 1860. So one possibility that yes, it can definitely try to achieve 1850 levels, 1860 levels. This is a very strong support zone there. Below 1850, you can expect more bearishness to be there. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has come out of the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, sell below 1884 and buy above 1895. Above 1895, you can expect 1905, 1915 as the resistance level. 1920 is the next target. Till 1920, there are stronger resistances and possibility of a reversal is there. Be cautious of 1915, 1920 levels. Beyond that, it will fly high for 1940. Below 1880, yes, you can sell silver there at 1880. Expect 1860, 1850 levels to provide very strong support. Below 1850, then 1840 levels are there. Below 1840, we can see a good drop again for 1820, 1800, and below that we can see it dropping further. See, yesterday we have seen a good swing, lower lows, higher highs. It this time again it can give you a good swing, higher highs, lower lows. It means 1915 to 1780. Anything is possible. When it starts to crash, nobody can stop. When it starts to rally, nobody can stop. So yes, you have to trade with a strict stop loss and a trailing stop loss. So take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop losses. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my mentorship batch and my signals group. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.